Hey guys, so today I thought that I would show you, I don't know why I just did that with my hand. Today I thought that I would show you guys what is inside my kitchen since I just moved to a new apartment and today is the day where I am home and no one else is home. So I thought it'd be a good time to sit down or stand up and walk through my kitchen just to let you guys see what I typically eat within a day or just the items that I keep. Oh, that's scary. That way I can just show you guys what I typically keep around the house. And just to give you guys some insight to my house right now, 3 of us are vegan, well 4 if you count Nemo. So 4 of us are vegan, but 3 of us are buying vegan food and then 1 of us is vegetarian. So we have no meat or milk items in the house, but there might be like eggs. Yeah, so let's go to the kitchen. Yeah, so let's go to the kitchen. Okay, so there's some more of little Nemo laying down. Big boy. So first thing, when you walk into the kitchen, we kind of have like fruit here, bananas, and then there's some potatoes and some fresh fruit and ginger and lemons. And then we have more fruit and chips and then some grapefruit down there. And then right next to our food is Nemo's dog food, and he heard me open that and he's probably hungry, so I'm gonna feed him really quick. Sit down, Nemo, sit down. Okay, it is his lunchtime. Stay there, please. Stay. Stay. No. No, no, no. Okay, he did not listen. He's hungry. Okay, so that's his vegan dog food that he eats. I also make him dog food that he eats regularly, but that's what we buy. And then this is kind of like where we keep a lot of our dried goods. So let's start over here. We got a bunch of different oils, chia seeds, quinoa, rice, hemp seeds. And then here we have like flax seeds and oats and then some almonds back there. And then soy sauce. This is no type of organization whatsoever. So we got some coconut milk, coconut oil, more coconut milk. I think these are like some bread mixes that we have. Some Coffee Mate hazelnut creamer. I'm not sure if this is vegan. No, this isn't vegan, and I'm not sure if it's someone that lives here now or if it was someone's stuff that just moved out. We have some golden berries, and then down here we have kind of some more of the same stuff. So we have rice, diatomaceous earth, more olive oil, agave, maple syrup, apple cider vinegar, and then we have cashews, dates, some buckwheat. I recently bought this PB2 peanut butter because I feel like I eat a lot of fat, so I'm trying to cut out a little bit of fat. Sesame oil, granola. We got a big thing of chia seeds. We have some cacao powder in here. I'm not sure what type of flour that is, but that might be like almond flour. We got sunflower seeds, dried beans back there, more buckwheat that I didn't know I had, and I just bought that buckwheat right there. We got some matcha in a jar, spirulina. It looks like we have more sunflower seeds right there, even though we have some right there. And then we have some dried mulberries and coconut flakes, and then fire roasted tomatoes. And then down here we kind of just have like junk stuff. I mean, not really junk, but we have potato chips, this is a loaf of bread, some soy milk. This is the only brand of plant milk that I will buy because it's literally just water and soybeans. It doesn't have like a bunch of other crap in it, which is really cool. I have my plant protein, we have some oats, and then Nemo's dog supplement and some peanut butter. And then down here to make Nemo's food, I have bulk lentils and bulk brown rice. This is my apartment. Just eating some strawberries right now, and I'm soaking some buckwheat in there for myself to eat. And then this is kind of just like more dry goods storage. I don't know if you can really see in here, but I have like turmeric powder, So in the fridge, look out, Nemo. Nemo, move his little butt. Nemo, look out. Good boy. Okay, so in the fridge we have here a cupcake that Lyndon did not finish. It was recently my best friend's 21st birthday, so we have like some beers in there and partially eaten cupcake. Partially eaten, I don't think that's a word. Partially eaten cupcake. We have some corn tortillas, some veggies that are probably pretty old, and quinoa and tofu. And then we have spinach right there. We've been using it for smoothies lately. This big bowl is Nemo's food, which is sweet potatoes, yams, no, those are the same thing. Nemo's food, which is sweet potatoes, brown rice, and lentils. And then he also gets like hemp oil thrown in there, nutritional yeast. He has a dog supplement, ground flax goes in there. This is our compost right now, that big bag right there. But we also have like some grapes, Brussels sprouts. It looks like one of us has some eggs here. We buy a lot of things in bulk, so a lot of things are like in these bags, but these are carrots. And then we have more spinach down there for smoothies. I don't know why that's not focusing. And then what else? So just like more veggies, some vegan hot dogs, carrots. Nemo's looking in here because he wants a carrot. See if there's an open carrot. Nemo's favorite snacks are carrots. So let's get these. Okay. Okay, so then down here we have some, I mean this isn't all my food, it's my roommate's, but I think these are some vegan tamales. We have broccoli and a lone cucumber back there. We got some bunches of parsley, vegan cheese, some cauliflower, more broccoli, another cucumber, it looks like a red pepper, and then I forgot to use these. We got some beets down there. So definitely have lots of veggies that we keep on hand. Okay, I should have organized this beforehand. Okay, that's closed. And then over here we have hummus, garlic, this yogurt. This probiotic yogurt is probably like the best probiotic brand ever on the planet. The ingredients are super clean and it's made in San Luis Obispo, which is awesome. See, we got coconuts, mangoes, orange juice, and then all those probiotics, which are amazing. And then we have some, oops, that wasn't supposed to happen. We have some vegan butter and more beer. I don't know whose beer this is because none of us really drink. We have chipotle mayonnaise, and then we got more hummus, almond butter, soy milk, vegetarian, no chicken broth, some almond butter, of course, sriracha. And then we got more vegan butter down there, and it looks like just some juices and some sauces. And yeah, that's really all we keep here. And last but not least, we have our freezer. Let's see what's in the freezer. Looks like we have some coconut bliss, coconut ice cream. I have some frozen bananas back there. This is the kind of bread that I like to use. I keep it in the freezer. We got lots of frozen strawberries, and then more frozen bananas down there. And then we got some bean rice burritos, breakfast burrito, Beyond Meat grilled chicken, and then just some frozen pineapple for smoothies. Yum. And some frozen peas. And I think that's really it. We got a bunch of vegan cookbooks, so if you ever want to borrow anything, we got it. So that's it for the tour of my kitchen, and nothing was really organized at all. I kind of just wanted it to be candid so you guys could see what my kitchen normally looks like. Yes, there are usually not half-eaten cupcakes just in the middle of the fridge, but it was a birthday, so that's just gonna stay there. And if you guys have any questions about what I do with the stuff in my kitchen and you want to see some recipes, please let me know. Or if you want to see more just casual hanging around the house videos, let me know. Or if you want to see more videos of Nemo, come up here, bud, who's having to join the video. Please let me know if you want to see more of Nemo, or if you want to see more of us, or anything, just let me know in the comments below. But if not, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye. Say bye.